Here we are. This is our new building.
Wow, it looks so nice.
I'm happy too. It's smaller than our old place, though.
That's okay. I think smaller can be cozy.
True. Let's find the manager first.
Good idea. He has our keys.
Hello there. You must be Max and Lily.
Yes, that's us. Nice to meet you.
Welcome. I'm Carter, the building manager.
Nice to meet you too, Carter.
Here are your keys. Apartment 4B, second floor.
Thank you so much.
Is there an elevator? We have many boxes.
Yes, right behind you. It's small, but it works well.
Oh, good. That will help a lot.
If you need anything, my office is on the first floor.
Well, remember that. Thank you. One more thing. Quiet hours start at 10 at night.
Quiet hours? What does that mean?
It means no loud noise after 10. Most tenants like a peaceful night.
Oh, that makes sense. We can do that. Great.
Enjoy your new home.
Thank you, Carter. Have a good day. You too. Welcome to the building.
He seems very kind.
Yes, I agree. A good start.
Let's bring the boxes up now.
Yes, let's do it. This is a lot of work.
I know, but I'm excited.
Me too. Let's go.
Wait, Max, how many boxes do we have?
I think about 10 boxes total.
10? That's more than I remembered.
We can make 2 trips with the elevator.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan.
Let's start with the kitchen boxes first.
Why the kitchen first?
Because we'll want coffee soon.
That's a very good reason.
I know myself well.
You really do.
Okay, let's go up now.
Right behind you.
This elevator really is small.
It's fine. Just cozy, like you said.
True, I like that word for it.
Cozy is a nice word.
It fits our new home already.
I agree completely.
Here we are, 4th floor. Wait, 2nd floor.
You're excited too.
A little bit, yes.
It's so empty right now.
Yes, but it won't stay empty for long.
I want it to feel like home by tonight.
That's a good goal. Let's make a small plan.
Okay, what do we need first?
I think we need curtains for the windows.
You're right, it's very bright in here.
We also need a few kitchen things. Cups, plates, maybe a pan.
And a small rug for the living room.
Good idea. It will make the floor feel warmer.
So today we unpack, meet neighbors, and shop for a few things.
Exactly. That's our plan for the day.
I like having a plan. It feels less overwhelming.
Overwhelming? What does that mean?
It means feeling like there is too much to do at once.
Oh, I understand now. Yes, moving can feel that way.
But with a plan, it feels easier.
I agree completely. Let's open this box first. It says kitchen.
Okay, let me help you.
Careful, there are plates inside.
I'll go slowly.
Look, here are old coffee mugs.
Oh, I love these nugs.
Me too. They remind me of our first apartment.
This blue one was my grandmother's.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, she gave it to me before she passed away.
That's a beautiful memory to keep.
I use it every morning. It makes me think of her.
She would be happy to see it here in our new home.
I think so too. Thank you for saying that.
Of course. Family memories matter a lot.
They really do. This mug means so much to me.
We'll put it in a special place in the kitchen.
I would like that very much.
How about right here, near the window?
Perfect. Every morning I'll see it with the sunlight.
That sounds like a lovely way to start the day.
Thank you for understanding, Max.
Always. That's what family does.
Okay, let's keep unpacking.
Yes, there's still a lot to do.
This box has our books.
Let's put them on the shelf over there.
Good idea. Books make a room feel warm.
I agree. A home needs books.
And a home needs coffee mugs too.
Especially that blue one.
Ha, you remembered.
Of course I did. What's in this next box?
I think that one has our bedroom things.
Let's carry it to the bedroom then.
Okay, follow me.
This apartment has good light in the bedroom too.
Yes, I noticed that. I really like it.
Let's finish unpacking and then we can go meet the neighbors.
Sounds good. I'm curious about them.
Me too. Let's hurry a little.
Okay, I'm ready.
Max, look, someone is in the hallway.
Let's say hello. It's a good chance to meet a neighbor.
Oh, hello. You must be the new tenants.
Yes, we are. I'm Max, and this is Lily.
Nice to meet you both. I'm Rossi from 4A.
Nice to meet you too, Rossi.
Welcome to the building. How is the move going?
It's going well, thank you. A lot of boxes, though. I remember that feeling. It gets easier.
I hope so. We still have many boxes left.
If you need help, just knock on my door.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
Have you tried the bakery on the corner yet?
No, not yet. Is it good?
It's amazing. Everyone in the building loves it.
We'll go check it out soon then.
Ask for the morning special. It's the best deal.
What is the morning special?
It means coffee and a pastry for one low price, before 10.
Oh, that sounds wonderful.
It really is. I go almost every day.
We'll remember that. Do you have a cat or a dog?
No, not yet. Maybe someday.
I have a small dog. His name is Biscuit.
Biscuit, what a cute name.
He's very friendly. You'll meet him soon, I'm sure.
We look forward to that.
Well, I won't keep you. You have a lot to do.
Thank you for the warm welcome, Rossi.
Of course. It's nice to have new neighbors. It's nice to meet someone friendly on our first day. This building has good people. You'll see.
That makes me feel much better about moving here.
I'm glad to hear that. Good luck with the boxes.
Thank you. Have a good day, Rossi.
You too. See you around.
She seems really lovely.
Yes, very kind and welcoming.
I feel better about the building now.
Me too. It's nice to know a friendly face.
Should we go find that bakery later?
Definitely. I'm curious about the morning special.
Me too. But first, let's finish our shopping list.
Right. We still need curtains and a few kitchen things.
Let's head to the store now.
Good idea. Let's go.
This store has a lot of things.
Yes, let's find our list items first.
We need curtains, a rug, and kitchen supplies.
Right, let's start with curtains.
These blue ones look nice for the living room.
I agree. They match our new sofa well.
How much are they?
The tag says $15 for the pair.
That's a fair price. Let's get them.
Okay, into the cart they go.
Now let's find a small rug.
There's a nice gray one over here.
I like this one. It's soft, too.
Let's check the price. $20.
That works with our budget.
Budget? What does that mean?
It means the amount of money we plan to spend.
Oh, I understand now. Yes, this fits our budget well.
Great. Let's add it to the cart.
Now for the kitchen supplies.
We need a pan, some cups, and a few plates.
This pan looks good. Not too expensive either.
How much is it?
$12. That's reasonable.
Let's get it. And a small set of plates, too.
Good idea. Look, there's a set with cups included.
Perfect. That will save us time.
I think we have everything on our list now.
Let's go pay before we forget something.
Good thinking. Let's find the cashier.
Hi there. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, we did. Thank you.
Great. That will be $47 total.
Can I pay with a card?
Of course. Card or cash both work here.
Card is easier. Here you go.
Thank you. Just tap it right here.
Done. Thank you.
You're all set. Are you new to the area?
Yes, we just moved in today.
Welcome to the neighborhood. This store is open every day until 9.
Good to know. We might come back soon.
We also have a small discount for new residents. Just show your lease.
Oh, really? That's helpful. Thank you for telling us.
Of course. Welcome again and good luck with the move.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. Bye now.
That was a successful trip.
Yes, we found everything we needed.
And we saved a little money too.
Let's head back home and set everything up.
Good idea. I can't wait to see the curtains up.
Me too. Let's hurry back.
Okay, let's hang these curtains first.
Sounds good. Can you hold that side?
Sure, just like this.
Perfect. Now let's slide the rod through.
Got it. There, all done.
Wow, it already looks so much better.
I agree. The room feels warmer already.
Let's put the rug down next.
Right here in front of the sofa?
Yes, that looks great.
This apartment is really coming together.
It is. I'm so happy with how it looks. Let's put the new plates and cups in the kitchen.
Good idea. I'll organize the cabinet.
I'll wash the new cups first.
Thinking, they might be a little dusty.
Yes, just a quick rinse will do.
While you do that, I'll set up the pan and pots.
Sounds like a good plan.
Look, everything fits nicely in this cabinet.
It really does. This kitchen isn't too big, but it's enough.
I agree. Small but very functional.
Functional? What does that mean?
It means something that works well for its purpose.
Oh, I like that word. This kitchen is very functional then.
Exactly. Simple and useful.
I'm starting to really love this place.
Me too. It's beginning to feel like home.
Should we put Grandma's mug on the shelf now?
Yes, let's put it right by the window like we planned.
There. Perfect. I love seeing it there.
It really completes the kitchen.
Thank you again for remembering that detail.
Of course. It matters to you, so it matters to me.
That means a lot to me, Max.
I'm glad. Now let's finish the last few boxes.
Almost done. Just 2 more.
We're doing great today.
Yes, I'm really proud of us. Look at this place now. It's completely different.
I know, it really does feel like home.
I'm so glad we got the curtains and the rug today.
Me too. Small things made a big difference.
And meeting Rossi was such a nice surprise.
Yes, she was very kind. I'm glad we said hello.
We should visit that bakery tomorrow morning.
Definitely. I want to try the morning special.
Me too. It sounds delicious.
What was your favorite part of today?
I think finding a place for Grandma's mug.
That was a special moment.
It really was. It made this apartment feel like home to me.
I understand completely.
What about you? What was your favorite part?
I think meeting Rossi and Sam at the store.
They were both very friendly.
Yes, it makes moving somewhere new feel less scary.
I agree. New places feel better with kind people around.
We learned some useful words today too.
Like quiet hours and morning special.
And overwhelming, budget, and functional.
Those will be useful in the future.
Very useful, I think.
I'm really happy with how today went.
Me too. This already feels like our home.
I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings here.
Me too. Good night, Lily.
Good night, Max. Sleep well in our new home.